I'm just in my back garden. The date is the 9th of May 2025. The time is now 8:22 AM, and in 4 days time, on the 13th of May, is my ex-wife Samantha's 58th birthday. My birthday was on the 29th of April 2025, so there's 2 weeks between us. And this is my bedroom window, where last night, or it was early this morning, about 2:23 AM, I finished my Shroud of Turin document that proves that my son Joshua Isaac James Hachey is Jesus Christ in the flesh. And that document is 293 pages long, and you can download it from all the pinned comments in my videos and also in the video descriptions. Download the document and look at the evidence that my son Joshua is Jesus Christ. And just to prove that Jehovah has approved that document and that he is with me, he's done a supernatural miracle this morning with the clouds again, to confirm that the document, the Shroud of Turin, is genuine. Look at these clouds here. That's over in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, which is Jehovah's temple in Jerusalem. And 2.9 miles away is a hamlet, which means without a church, called Jerusalem, across the A46, and it's the only place in the UK called Jerusalem. What's the chances of that? And these are the clouds that Jehovah's produced. Look at that. That's like a cross in the sky. It's got 3 lines, and then it comes into a cross, and then it goes above my house there, and then there's the sun over there in the east. Yeah, these clouds are definitely not normal. I've just taken some out the front as well, which I will add to this video. Yeah, my Shroud of Turin document is called, well, to take over the Watchtower and Jehovah's Witnesses, it's called Operation Sunrise. Go and have a look. I didn't know about Operation Sunrise. I think it was World War II, I think, or World War I. But go and look up Operation Sunrise, what it was. And that's above my house now. As I say, they're a bit weird out the front as well. That's a bit of a strange one above me now. And that is particularly weird. I've not seen a formation like that. Yep. 4 days before my ex-wife Samantha's birthday. 58th birthday. We're both 58. Well, Samantha will be in 4 days' time. Anyway, that's the sign from Jehovah. Bye for now.